Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho. Hello, my friends. I hear some of you have been searching for my phone number. Well, you've come to the right place. Santa's Workshop TV. Let's see if the elves kept it on my giant red telephone. Did you know you can actually call and leave me a message? It's true. Try my Santa hotline. +1 605 313 4000. When you call, you can tell me your Christmas wishes, and the elves save every single one. And for my friend around the world, there are even special numbers in other countries. Your mom or dad can help you find them. Now, sometimes the hotline gets busy, but don't worry. You can also find me through the NORAD Santa tracker or websites like talktosanta.com, where you can leave me a message. And of course, the oldest way of all, writing me a letter. So if you want to call me this Christmas, grab a grown-up and try my hotline. +1 605 313 4000. Or write me a letter the old-fashioned way. However you reach me, remember, I hear every wish in my heart. Merry Christmas. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.